Hi everyone, this is Becky Yim and this is a tutorial on how to use DocuSign. So once you create a login and sign in, this is what the home page will look like. Over here, you can set up what your personal signature looks like, and they've got a whole bunch of different fonts and styles that you can choose from. Over here on the bottom left, the action required is any documents that you need to sign. Waiting for others are documents that I've sent out and I'm waiting for people to finish signing them. And then these are all the completed documents. But for right now, we're going to focus on the sign or get signatures here. So you're going to click on New. You can sign a document yourself, which is similar process to sending an envelope, but we're going to do send an envelope. And so this is how I can get signatures from other people. Here I'm going to upload whatever document I need to be signed. So I'm just going to use an example P-card monthly purchase report. As you scroll down, this is where you're going to add in the recipients for this. So I'm going to add myself, and then I'm also going to add Ryan because he needs to sign off on this document. If I want a signing order, I'm going to go ahead and click that box there. That means that this document gets sent to whoever's listed as number 1, and after they sign it, then it goes to the next person. But if it doesn't matter, then I'm not going to check that, and now we just receive it at the same time, and we can sign it in any order. As you scroll down, you're going to see the email subject. So this generates based off whatever document name you uploaded. If you need to add in a little message there as well, you can do that. In the top right, go ahead and click Next. This is where I can add in the signatures. So over here under Fields, it has a variety of options that you can do. Right now, I'm going to click on Signature, and I'm going to drop that under there. I'm also going to add the date, and I'm going to do the same thing on the manager side here. So now these are both yellow, so I need to change it so they're different. So up here, if I click on the name, it shows up the people that you've selected who need to sign this document. So you can change that there. So now on this side in the yellow, I can see this is I need to sign it here. And over on the blue, Ryan has to sign it. If I need to add in a text, I can add that and drop that there. I can also change that to have somebody else sign that as well. It gives you all these other options if you ever need your name printed, and just a variety that you can choose from here. So this is good to go. So then I would go up here and click Send. So once the document is sent, I get emails every time somebody has viewed the document. I also get emails once the document is complete. So here, as an example, you can see Ryan viewed the document. We both signed it, so it's complete. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Scroll down, I signed it, Ryan signed it, it's done, it's ready. So now I'm going to download it. I don't like this DocuSign envelope ID up here, but you can't edit the document without extracting it. So I'm going to click Organize, Extract, Edit, and then I'm going to delete this up here. I like doing that just because it makes the document look a little bit cleaner. So now I can save it, print it, email it, and it's ready to go.